Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with advice, tips and information that will make your life better and more enjoyable. In this video, we will be discussing 10 easy to implement tips to help you organize your home, reduce clutter, and make it an enjoyable place to spend time in. Just a reminder, if you like what you see, make sure to hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe so you can get our updates when we publish similar videos. Okay, let's get going with these tips. Tip number 1. Start by decluttering. Take a few minutes to go through every room in your home and get rid of anything that you no longer want or need, such as old clothes and toys. This will help you get a better sense of what you need to organize and how you want it to look. Tip number 2. Invest in storage. Utilize storage solutions such as shelves, drawers, and baskets to help you store your items in an organized way. This will help keep your home clutter-free and make it easier for you to find what you're looking for. Tip number 3. Label everything. Labeling your items, from books to drawers, will keep your home organized and make it easier for you to find things. Tip number 4. Use vertical space. Make use of the vertical space in your home by installing shelves, hanging items on the walls, or mounting a shelf above a doorway. This will help you maximize the space in your home. Tip number 5. Make use of the space under your bed. Invest in storage containers or bins to store items such as extra blankets, pillows, and toys. Tip number 6. Keep it organized. Designate places for everything, such as a place for keys and a place for mail, so that you can find what you need quickly and easily. Tip number 7. Hide away your cords. Use cable organizers and mount outlets to keep your cords organized and out of sight. Tip number 8. Add a few decorative touches. Add a few items, such as a vase or a piece of art, to add a touch of style and make your home visually appealing for you. Tip number 9. Make use of natural light. Make sure to open your blinds and curtains to let in natural light, which will make your home look brighter and more inviting. Tip number 10. Keep it clean. Make sure to vacuum regularly and dust your furniture to keep your home looking neat and tidy. That's it for this video. I hope these 10 tips will help you to organize your home and make it a more enjoyable space. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please click that like button and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care and see you on the next video.